Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix ARC Raiders game not launching, lagging, not loading, crashing or other issues on Xbox. So the first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. After that check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to check for ARC Raiders update. Apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if any update is available for the game, and after updating check if the issue is fixed. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So for that you have to open settings, then click on system, then click on storage. Now highlight the storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it choose clear system cache and then lastly confirm it by pressing yes. Next is to check storage. For that press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, system and then storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or game to create space, and after that check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that open settings and choose device and connections. Now click on Blu-ray. Here select persistent storage, then choose clear persistent storage. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall ARC Raiders game. So for that press Xbox button controller, then move my games and apps, then select see all option. Here select ARC Raiders game, then press menu and then finally select uninstall. After the game is removed, open ARC Raiders official website and download the game and then try to launch it. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. Even you can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide you what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from there, and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.